So I just found an abandoned little thing, a little fluff thing. It's this, if you can read that here. And it's called, you can see that all over the box, on all sides. So let's read. Well, this is a little message, so I'm going to read it. Dear friends, these unloved and abandoned animals are in need of your help. They arrive as sad ball of matted fur. But once you bath them and dry them, brush them and love them, you will discover what kind of animal they really are and reveal their true beauty. And in return, they will be your FFF, furry friend forever. That's the message here. It says FFF stands for furry friend forever. So let's unbox it. And also, you don't choose one of these. They just choose it for you, and it's a mystery what kind of animal you're gonna get. You can get a cat, a dog, or a pony. Here's a little strap to remove it. I'm gonna remove it. This is gonna be kind of satisfying. Get away. That goes in. Okay, do you wanna walk me through this? So, let's. Oh. What's that magic ball down there? I think I'm getting it out. This is gonna. Do you see that little thing in there? See it? Yep, you see it. So, I'm gonna try to pull it out. See? Here's here's the matted ball of stuff. Like matted. Okay. Instructions or something. That is it's the same thing on the box that they said. I guess that I can. Oh, it has a bunch of things here. And also, I don't know what this is. A bunch of stuff. All that stuff. So, now I need a bowl of water because you need to wash it. And thankfully, we saw all of this instructions, so we prepared a bowl of water. Seems the perfect temperature. And also we got this to dry it. So, let's see. So I'm just gonna, ooh, nice. Ooh, nice little thing. It's already unmatting and it's already, it's ongoing. I hope that this is a cat because that's what I wanted it to be, but I don't. Okay. Well, I think I know what this is. I don't know if it's a he or a she, but it's actually going to be she because I want it to. Here you are. Now let me dry you. I think that I see what it is. What is this thing? I don't know. Come on, get that little scruffy thing. There's a brush right here that we're getting. I don't know how to get this brush out. And now I'm just gonna focus on drying this little thing. So I'm gonna focus on drying it. And now my service cot to go now. And there's a big bunch of water. This is 65. Come on, ring. Let's get that little ear. The other ear's hiding. This one looks, I think I see not hurting it, don't worry. Let's cover.
Is there brushing for her?
It's a her, I promise you. This one looks so cute. This just looks so cute. Here is, guess what this is? Because I've got to guess. Since it has a cute tail, I guess that it's a cat. And it probably is a cat. Let's just continue drawing it, because...
Maybe you could try wrapping it up like a baby.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Give it a squeeze.
I'm drawing the body first, because I don't want to start her head. Look at that little
What's this
ear.
other ear? Does that have 2 ears?
Yes, of course.
Oh, they sparkling?
Yes, there's sparkle inside. See that sparkle?
Okay, when you start brushing her?
Some of it's dry. Finally, it's... I'll start brushing her on the bottom. This is going to take a while. So, I got to poke its little nose out, and can you guess what it is? It starts with a C. I've already found out. Yep, a cat. A kitty, they say. Look at that little face. I've been grooming it for a while. Let's get that little eye. And also it has blue eyes. See? Nice blue eyes, just like me, but I have very dark blue eyes that looks like it's green. I'm gonna blow dry her. Well, it said to blow dry her and not do it with a towel, so I'm gonna do it on warm and low. So let's see how we start this. Let's do this. We're doing good. Come on. See? Come on. Let's get that warm. We had to watch again in the sink because he was still glued up a little bit. And it took us a long time to blow dry him, but he ended up looking like this. It's the next day. She's all dry now, and yesterday we did a lot of filming, so I'm going to reveal her name in 3, 2, 1. Lila. It's a so cute name. And it's like and her color is lilac, I think. So Lila rhymes with lilac. So yeah. And today we're gonna do this. Her adoption certificate thingy mabob. So let's read what it says. This is to certify that blank has officially adopted blank. By signing this, I promise to give my Scruff love a lifetime of love, care, and fun. I promise to be its best friend forever, BFF. Signature and date. So we are going to write that I will adopt it. Should I write yes? I think so.
No, you put your name.
Okay, I'm going to write my name. M.
It's officially adopted.
Adopted Lila, that's her name you've just seen.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's look at the color so I know how to spell it. then an I-L-I-L-A. That's Layla. Here. Little Lila. It says Lila, of course. So now I'm going to write signature. That's probably my name again. Yes, let's write my name again. Again. Why did they? I don't know. I'm going to write this way quicker.
Are you happy it's your adoption day,
Yay.
Layla?
Yeah, she is. She's definitely so excited.
Are you excited you get your collar on? I think so.
Yes, of course she is. So next it's A-M again. So it's the date. What day is it?
Put May.
Okay, May. There we go. 2020. So I officially adopted her. Time to put the collar on. Get a nice zoom in on that. Here it is. It's Lila. So here's the little button in the back. You guys, this is so nice. It's officially Lila's adoption day. This is the best day in my life. I've been waiting. Here it is. See that? Get a good zoom in.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna make way more videos on her and her little life as a cat. At the beginning you saw that she was just a rolled up ball of nothing, and then she turned into the cutest, most fuzziest little friend.